So we're looking at this structure. There's a 1 2, there's a 3. The wall came along, we did break out of the neckline. There's now it's still really the same structure. There's a correction down either in B, or this is a wave, the terminal end of wave 3 or wave 5, and this is the end of that level B. So if this is even the end of that level B, we could get an A, B, and the C correction to do a higher degree C that we were looking at on that for our chart. So remember, this is an A and a B, and now we're looking at a higher degree C. We haven't had hours all the way down to these levels, 2100, just in case B extends. So it looks like B is going to extend before we do that high degree C. The extension is very relevant because on that daily chart, if the things actually become more bearish in Ukraine, then yes, we cannot take out 2800. This is what happened yesterday. This is really a wave 4. There was a wave 1 2 here, and then there was a high degree 3 into that internal into that 3 in red. This is a 4. Now the market is doing a 1 2 a 3 4 and a 5. This is what we're segregating on our 30-minute chart. Rejection is at 2800. This is a level 1 on the 30-minute chart. So long as we're having a negative momentum, it has the potential to go to 2148. It has the potential to go to 1800 or 1776. So we want to be on the short side, and if we had longs again, that's what we are looking at today. We're inside of that Elliott structure. Remember, we just said that rejection comes in at 2850. This is that level 1 here, 2800 and 2850. We can even get a level A at 3000, but that's what's showing on the daily chart anyway. So there is a trend down. There is internally, there is actually a higher degree 1 2 here, very high. Then there is a 3 and a 4, and there is a 5 here in white. Then there was either an internal degree 4 or an A, and now we're having a B, could be having a C. It is possible that that wave 3 is still extending, that what we have just seen is just an internal degree 3 into high degree 3. This is internal degree 4 into the neckline, or into not only at the neckline but also at the upper boundary of that Elliott structure. It already did a 5, and that 5 is going to extend. We have negative momentum on all the relevant time frames, so it is going to extend. You're looking at 30 minutes here, negative, or the 1 hour is negative. The 4, the most important, is truly very negative, so extending negative. So going forward, we are going to, if you were already long, we believe we were going to long at around 2600. We're able to get these levels again on projection of the current correction. So this is today's chart, but we're taking measures, or we're measuring our fibs right from internal level 2 here. There's an internal 1 2 and a 3, so this could reject as low as 2500, 2518. We would want either to hedge longs or close longs at a small loss and reverse into shorts. At that point, we're shorting at the neckline below level 1. All right. I believe this is a 3 and a 4, and the market would continue down to 2200 and 2170. If you wish, you could short again on 2 segments. It is simply because it is possible that this is an A, B, and a C, and that C is actually doing correction 4, which has a potential to rise all the way down to 3000. We expect it will not really do that move. You have a trend line here at 2987, but the fundamentals have to change if you're going to be doing this. You just want to short half size and then remain at that second half once you get a confirmation down on the 5-minute chart at this point. So our shorting level is 2500. Over here showing 2494. You are looking at 2518 right here. Takes you to, if the negative bearish trend persists, it takes us to 2224. Looking at 2148 right here. Projections for the current correction are shown now, and they take you to 2470 has already been tested. 2500 will probably be tested, maybe, just maybe 2000 in between is 2547. We expect can be tested because this is the internal level 1 anyway that we expect rejection at. It's possible, of course, to reject at a higher level 1, 2600 altogether, because it is still contained by that Elliott structure. You even have potential to go to 2671. So it would always be relaying the extension of this correction regarding what we see on momentum. If momentum is still positive, we understand that you're actually correcting the whole move right from that point. 1, 2, all of this is a 3, can get as high as 2600 easily, and even into this Elliott structure 2610, 2614.